The outcome of these proceedings will reverberate across generations, determining the fate of nations like mine and the future of our planet. Vanuatu is a nation of islands and island peoples. Our peoples have built vibrant cultures and traditions over millennia that are intimately intertwined with our ancestral lands and seas. Yet today, we find ourselves on the front lines of a crisis we did not create. A crisis that threatens our very existence and that of so many other peoples who have come in unprecedented numbers to be heard by this court. The importance of the questions before this court cannot be overstated. At issue in this case is the legality under the entire corpus of international law of a certain conduct displayed by specific states over time, which has interfered with the climate system to a point that has already resulted in injury to Vanuatu and that threatens the survival of my people and of humanity as a whole.
How can the conduct that has taken humanity to the brink of catastrophe, threatening the survival of entire peoples, be lawful and without consequences? We urge the court to affirm in the clearest terms that this conduct is in breach of the obligations of states under international law, and that such breach carries legal consequences.
The harsh reality is that many of our peoples will not survive. The conduct responsible for this existential harm cannot, and I repeat, cannot be lawful under international law.
The peoples of Melanesia live exceptionally close to the earth and thus feel the vandalism visited upon it acutely. Moreover, theirs represents living, breathing, alternative imaginations, imaginations other than the one that has brought this planet to the brink of ecological collapse, thus ensuring they are able to live and thrive in their ancestral spaces is of the utmost importance, and not only for themselves, but for all of humanity.
My people's land of Fanalei is nearing a critical point on the verge of being completely engulfed by the rising seas. Without our land, our bodies and memories are severed from the fundamental relationship that define who we are. Those who stand to lose are the future generations. Their future is uncertain, reliant upon the decision-making of a handful of large emitting states which, as my colleagues explained, are responsible for climate change.